Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.